2024 Porsche Panamera has a crazy new active suspension. The third-generation sedan comes with a revised cabin layout with up to 670 horsepower and a starting price of $101,550. Porsche finally unveiled the 2024 Panamera sedan on Friday. The four-door vehicle will enter its third generation with various changes such as new styling, more powerful engines and improved handling. Porsche will offer 4 different e-hybrid powertrains, including the powerful Panamera Turbo E-Hybrid. It has a revamped twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine and a 25.9 kilowatt-hour battery-powered electric motor. Total output is 670 horsepower and 685 pound-feet of torque, sending power to all 4 wheels through an 8-speed PDK transmission. It can reach 60 miles per hour in 3.0 seconds and reach a top speed of 195 miles per hour. Under the hood of the Panamera and Panamera 4 is a turbocharged 2.9-liter V6 engine. It produces more power than before, pumping out 348 horsepower and 368 lb-ft of twist, up 23 horses and 37 lb-ft respectively. The V6 can propel the regular model to 60 miles per hour in 5.0 seconds and help it reach a top speed of 169 miles per hour. The all-wheel drive Panamera 4 can reach 168 miles per hour, achieving the same feat in 4.7 seconds. The Panamera comes standard with 2-chamber, 2-valve air suspension with Porsche Active Suspension Management. It separates the shock absorber's compression and rebound control for greater comfort. The optional Porsche Active Ride, available for e-hybrid models, is able to keep the Panamera's body flat and even more than compensate for the vehicle's pitch and roll movements. It allows the sedan to lean into corners like a motorcycle. Rear axle steering is also optional. The new third-generation Panamera is very similar to the previous model, but there are some changes. The car now has an additional air intake on the front plate, which it needs to cool the renewed powertrain. There are new window lines and LED matrix design headlights are now standard features. The interior of the Panamera features a revamped center console that moves the gear lever to the right of the steering wheel and into the dashboard, just like the company's all-electric Taycan. An optional 10.9-inch passenger display is also now available, allowing the passenger to view the vehicle's performance data, change infotainment settings, or stream video. Porsche distinguishes the Panamera Turbo E-Hybrid from the rest of the range with its unique front panel, rear diffuser, and dark bronze exhaust pipes. The model also features a contrasting turbonite color on the side air vents, window frames and the Turbo logo on the rear. The company also uses turbonite throughout the interior, including the central tachometer in the digital instrument cluster. The 2024 Panamera is available to order now, and the automaker expects the vehicle to arrive at dealers in spring 2024. Its price will start at $101,550, including $1,650 destination charge, while the Panamera 4 has a starting price of $108,550. Porsche said it will announce pricing details and arrival time for the Panamera Turbo E-Hybrid at a later date. The automaker will continue to produce the model at its Leipzig factory.